Hi, in this video we will see how to insert a color picker, which is one of the very frequently used input element. In different forms there might be a requirement of inserting a color picker. So let's begin with the code. Our basic HTML format will remain same. Let's give title to our web page as color picker demo. Let's give one heading, uh, say under h1 tag, input element color picker. And now the main part, input type is equal to color. We are just writing in input tag here, and type is attribute of this input tag, and we are just writing here color. This will bring out a color picker in our web page. So if we just right click and just to check the output, we will open this in browser. You can see one rectangle has been appeared on the screen. If you click on this, we will see a color picker. So color of our own choice will be, we can select, then we can slide for different colors and we can choose any shade of our own choice. Different formats are also present here: RGB, red, green, blue. You can change the values from here also, and as per the values the proper shade will be selected. You can change the values from here, or simply you can just click on the shade which you want. You can see the preview in this circle and you can select it. One hexadecimal format, hex value format is also there. If you change the hex values, then as per the value shade will be selected and its preview you will be able to see in this circle. Thank you.